everyone, welcome back to our channel Life Reviewed. Today we'll be doing the unboxing and review of a very special band here. This is from Spigen and this is a 20 band. Usually I use bands which are quite cheap, which comes at around 299 to 599 at most, but this is one of the costlier ones, and this is one of the better ones. So yeah, we'll see how well it looks. So this is light fit from Spigen. Of course we know Spigen cases are really good. They are of the highest quality, so let's see if the strap that they make are also of good quality. So this is actually made for the Galaxy watch, but since this is 20 this will fit any of your other watches. So I will be using this with my MS Fit. So usually the MS Fit, all the watches of MS Fit are 20 and you can use any 20 straps with that, so it should be fine. I have the GTS3 here, but this should be compatible with GTS 1, 2, 3 and 4 along with GTR 1, 2, 3, 4 and also with the all of the MS Fit bips. Alright, so let me just show you on the box. Spigen branding here, and at the back, let's see, country of origin is China, color is black. Okay, alright, so the MRP of this is 1399, but you can get this for around 799. It's a bit costly, but we will see. The quality of this is really nice. So installation, it's given here. Nothing much to do install here. So since this is the cloth band, so let's go ahead and bring this out. Okay, nothing else, just the watch strap itself. All right, so stretchable, very stretchable, and usually these are made of plastic, but premium quality. This is completely made of metal. This is what I like about Spigen. Their finishing is really good, and look at the quality of this buckle here. It's like platinum finish, matte of course, and very good. And best thing is it's really stretchable, good quality, and it should be very comfortable. All right, let me just install this on my watch and let's see. So I have installed this one. This really have a nice brushed metal finish to this one. Looks really premium and very easily adjustable. You can just adjust adjust the flow. It's very convenient. And let me just wear it. Since this is stretchable, you can just put it like this, and this gives a really good fit on your wrist. Very comfortable, even if you sweat, this is breathable, and this is like awesome. This is actually, I would say, this is one of the best bands that I have used for my MS Fit. So totally recommendable. So go for it, I would say. So that's it for today. I hope you liked this video. If you did, like, share and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Till then, stay safe and check out one of our latest videos here. Goodbye.